Should your business even hire an internet marketing agency? You might not need to, and here's why. Hey, I'm Booker Fritz, the man with a plan to help your business make money on demand. And the big question is, do you need an online marketing agency to handle all of this online stuff? And the answer is no and yes. Is there even a right answer? Well, yes, there is, but that depends upon you. I'm here to help you decide what's going to be best for your company. Do you want to maintain 100% control of your marketing? Do you already have an in-house marketing team maybe? Do you have a little bit of time to adjust to the learning curve of online marketing? If the answer is yes, then I would recommend that you do this in-house. You already have the resources in place, so it makes sense. Hey, go ahead and try to tackle this your guys' self. And that's the best way to do it, especially if you already have the resources there and you have a little bit of time to dedicate towards it. I definitely recommend that. Or maybe you're too busy and you just want the professionals to handle it for you. Maybe you're just not a techie, and that's okay too. And when you think about it, you probably already knew the answer to this question. And you really just need help deciding on how to start this process. That's where I can really help you out. You see, I teach small businesses how to get clients online and save time. And I know how to do this because I also work with many small businesses and handle all of their online marketing. And you know what? I'm actually looking for a few more clients. So if you guys are interested in this, in either solution, either me teaching your team how to do exactly what I do, or me just handling it all for you, me and my team can definitely take care of you. Now, I would recommend going to marketingbooker.com/I'mReady. There, I'm going to ask you just a few questions, and then I'll let you know what I think would be best for your company. So if you guys are ready to do this, let's get going.